Welcome student for another experiment, which is experiment number 3, and we are going to plot the external characteristics of synchronous generator at various power factor loads, right? So basically we have already done experiment on direct loading. The connections are absolutely same as we have done in that experiment. Right now we are provided with 440 volt, 5.7 ampere, 3.5 kVA, 1500 rpm alternator, right? So initially we'll connect resistive load and thereafter we'll replace this resistive load by inductive and capacitive, and let us observe what are the terminal voltages for different types of load. Okay, that is all this experiment is related with, right? And in all the cases we'll keep field current and speed constant. Okay. So we'll start the DC supply on the DC motor. Maintain the speed to be 1500 rpm.
थोड़ी बढ़ाओ 1508
1500 rpm. Okay. Then we'll on the DC supply for field excitation of alternator, right? And we'll maintain the voltage to be rated, or we'll take it up to 400 volts for safer side. 400 volts. Okay, 400 voltage. Okay, so for 400 volt the load current is 0. We have not connected the load current is 0, and IF is 0.62. okay, so these are of the observations. For resistive load we are considering the case resistive load. Field current is 6.62, load current is 0, and voltage is 400, right? Now we'll switch on the load. Okay, and we'll connect 1 ampere of load. Load is of resistive in nature, right? 1 ampere. We'll maintain the speed to be rated 1500 rpm.
थोड़ी सी बढ़ाओ
Field current should be same. Last time we had 0.62. Now also we need to maintain it to be 0.62. Okay. Now we'll see the readings. See, the voltage has been dropped. Voltage has been dropped by 4 volt. That means it is 396 volt, and load current is 1 ampere. Load current is 1 ampere, right? 0.62, load current is 1 ampere, and this is 396 volt, right? Now we'll increase the load current. Okay, we'll increase the load current and we'll check the speed. Okay, speed is 1466. 1500, and field current has to be same, 0.62. okay, so we'll maintain it to be 0.62 by field rheostat of alternator, 0.62. okay, so 0.62 IF. Then voltage is dropped by 4, 8, 12, 16 volts. Voltage कम होगा ना 88. So voltage is 388, right? And load current is 3 ampere. Okay, 388, 3 ampere, and IF was 0.62.
दूसरा वाला इसके बाजू में
ये वाला. Now we have again increased the load. Okay.
वाला थोड़ा सुनिए लोड करंट कितना देखो
Load current 4 load current is 4.8. 4.8. Speed we are maintaining to be rated.
ज़्यादा है थोड़ी कम करना 6.2 ले आओ आप स्पीड बढ़ाओ हाँ ठीक है
Speed is 1500. Current, field current is 0.62. Right? Voltage you can see it is 366. Voltage is 366. और sorry, two lines है ना आगे. 366 and current is 4.8. Current is 4.8. Okay, so 4.8, 0.62 and 366. Okay.
कमी कर कमी
So next load which will connect to the machine is inductive load, right? You can see the inductance are kept here and the total rating is 20 kilowatt and there is a knob at the front end side. So the moment we go on increasing it, we'll connect that much amount of inductance to it, right? And the one precaution which has to be taken is this is the neutral terminal, should be connected to the neutral wire is connected to neutral of the machine. This is RYB phase. So through switches RYB phase of inductor through switches, it has to be connected to similar terminals only. R of inductor should be connected to R of alternator. R of inductor should be connected. See this one, R of inductor.
emitter
See, this is R phase. You can see here, this is the R phase of inductor. Okay, through switches, this R phase is connected through ammeter to R phase of machine. Similar will be the connection for Y and B phase. The terminal of inductor RYB should be connected exactly to RYB of alternator. That is the precaution which has to be dealt. Now the process is same. We'll on the DC motor, keep the speed to be rated. We'll observe the IF for rated voltage and thereafter we'll connect the inductive load. Okay, so we'll on the DC motor. Okay, check the speed to be rated.
बढ़ाओ मैडम बढ़ाओ थोड़ी कम करो थोड़ी और कम करो स्लाइटली कम करो हाँ ठीक है
That is 1500. We'll on the DC excitation.
ओके
DC excitation of machine and maintain the terminal voltage to be 400, right? Maintain the terminal voltage to be 400.
कैसे मैडम अभी वोल्टेज देखो
वोल्टेज 400 आ गया
नहीं ज़्यादा है
अभी, ठीक है. So voltage is 400, right? Voltage is 400. Okay, current is 0. Load current is 0 and field current is 0.55. Okay, field current is 0.55. 0.55, load current is 0 and terminal voltage is 400, right? So we have on the switch and we'll start connecting the inductive load. 1 ampere, sir. 1 ampere.
हो गया
1 ampere. See, the current is, load current is 1 ampere. Okay, voltage is, will maintain this current 0.55. Okay, 0.55. IF is 0.55 and we'll observe the voltage. Voltage is 368. 368. Okay, voltage is 368. Current is 1 ampere and this is 0.55. Okay, we'll connect more inductive load.
एम्पियर
inductive load current is 1.5. Okay, and terminal voltage is 24, 28, 32, 232. Now we are increasing 2 ampere. बस हो गया सर 2 ampere. Yes, 2 ampere current. Terminal voltage is 328. Terminal voltage is 328. Okay.
ज़्यादा आएगा जिसकी वॉल्यूम की पावर फैक्टर यूनिटी रहता है ना.
And field current is same, constant 0.55. Okay.
अरे कि
Now we'll increase the load current more. 2.5 बस 2.5. Terminal voltage is 320. Terminal voltage is 320 and field current is 0.55. Okay. Field current is 0.55. Okay. So 0.55, 320, 0.55, 2.5, 320.
वोल्टेज
320, 318 volt. Okay. Last reading set will take for inductive load 3 ampere current. 3 ampere, थोड़ा सा 3 ampere, 2.8, 2.8, 3, yes, 3, 0.55. We have maintained the field current to be 0.55 and the voltage is 300. Voltage is 300. Okay. Next load is capacitive load, right? You can see various capacitors are connected. Power capacitors whose current rating is 1.31 ampere, right? And kVAR is 1. Okay. So initially we'll connect a single capacitor, okay, through switch, and we have connected to the alternator, right? RYB neutral sequence should be continued, and thereafter we are creating a bank of 1, 2, 3 capacitors, okay, and after that we'll connect 4 bank of capacitors together, okay, with same rating 1 kVAR, 1.31 ampere, right? You can see here we have now the field current is 0.61 and voltage is again rated 400 and current is 0. Now we will connect the capacitor load
1 kVA.
1 kVA. Okay. We are oning the switch. It is 1.3 ampere. 1 ampere, right? 1 ampere and voltage is 428. Voltage is 428, 1 ampere and field current is 0.61, right? So 0.61. Okay. We'll connect the 3 bank of capacitor in the next step. We'll off the initial one and connect the next bank, okay, which is comprising of 1, 2, 3 capacitor. You can see the current. It is 3.9 ampere and voltage is 436, okay, and field current is 0.61. So 0.61, 436, 3.9 ampere.
देखता 5 के ऊपर क्या है मेरे को बताना, मैं ऑफ कर दूंगा.
5.2.
डाल के देखो क्या
5.2. Next, 4 bank we have connected. It is 5.3. Voltage is 440. Voltage is 440, and field current is 0.61. Okay, 5.2 ampere. So these are the observation for resistive load. We have seen that there is drop in the terminal voltage, right? Then we went with inductive load. So because of demagnetizing armature reaction, you will see that the terminal voltage after loading it is getting reduced, right? And third load, capacitor load, due to magnetizing effect of armature reaction, you can see that the terminal voltage after loading it is increasing. Okay, these are the observation. Then finally, when you will draw this characteristic, you need to draw this, put load current on the x-axis and terminal voltage on the y-axis. 400 volt was the rated voltage, and thereafter you plot the numbers or the observation which we have got and connect those points and see whether you get this characteristic or not. Okay, so the final observation is that at unity power factor armature reaction is cross magnetizing, so there will be fall in terminal voltage. Okay, at lagging power factor the drop in terminal voltage can be attributed to demagnetizing armature reaction, right? But at leading power factor, rise in terminal voltage can be attributed to magnetizing armature reaction. Okay, so that's all with the experiment observation.